Hello everyone, welcome back and thank you for watching. Today I will be making some large Easter home decor using mostly Dollar Tree items. So I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up and now let's craft. Starting with my first project from Dollar Tree, I'm using one of these signs. Now the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the string on the back, and to remove the stapler I'm removing it with this little tool that I got from Amazon, the stapler remover. This sign is actually pretty as is. The only thing I'm doing is distressing the bunny. I usually like to redo the Dollar Tree signs because the letters are usually glittery and the colors are like bright. This time they're neutral and I actually like them. Now the next thing, the only thing I won't be using that isn't from Dollar Tree is this paint stick, which I got from the Home Depot. I'm only using one and I'm painting it using the Waverly Antique Wax. Once this was dry, I started to glue the bunny, then the rest of the signs right underneath them, leaving a space in between them. I will be using this wood box, which I painted using the Waverly Antique Wax, to add it as a stand. Once this was dry, I glued the paint stick inside. Alright, so now I'm going to stand this up, and in order for this to have some weight on it, I will be adding the rocks. Now you can add the rocks directly into the box, but I wanted this to be less messy because sometimes the rocks like go all over. So I added them to this little pouch. I then added this little pouch inside the box and then added some greenery. And that is it. Look how beautiful this turned out. For my next project, I'm using this Dollar Tree wood sign, which I'm going to start by removing like the little tail. Then I'm going to paint this sign white. Once this is dry, I'm going to paint like the little paws, like the circles, pink. So for the tail, I was going to paint it pink and glue it back on there, but then I remember I had this Dollar Tree cloth, which it looks like fur, so I decided to add this to the piece of wood. Now I'm going to glue it first and then I'm going to cut around it. And this is how it looks. Now I'm going to glue it back on here. And look how cute this looks now. So now I'm going to set it to the side and work on the sign that I'm going to add underneath. I will be using this Dollar Tree wood hanging decor. I'm going to cut off about 3 inches. I thought of painting this pink, but then I decided to paint it using the Waverly Antique Wax. The paintbrush I used left it streaky, so to smooth that out, I did use a wet napkin. For the next step, I did use my Cricut to cut out everybody welcome. Actually, not everybody, every bunny welcome. And I'll have the link to the images that I used down in the description box. All I did was just transfer this using my transfer sheet. So now to attach these together, you can make holes and then use a string. But instead of drilling holes, I just added strings with hot glue. The last thing I did is I added another piece of string at the top for the hanger, and this completes this beautiful Easter sign. For my next project, I'm using this Dollar Tree wall hanging decor sign. I'm going to remove the plastic. I will not be using the string for this. And I'm painting this using the Waverly Antique Wax. So I had these carrots that I got from last year, but I'm sure they have them again this year. Now these carrots have these sticks, so all I'm doing is just like using a piece of string to tie these together. So now I'm going to glue these, and as you guys know, these signs do have holes, 2 at the top and 2 at the bottom. The way I'm gluing the carrots, it's like to where the leaves are covering the holes on one side. To decorate this a little more, I made a bow using some jute twine and added right there where I tie these together. Once again, I did use my Cricut to cut off fresh carrots. Now Dollar Tree does carry stickers that you can use or stencils. And that is it. Look how beautiful this fresh carrot sign turned out. And that is it for today. I really hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. Let me know down in the comment section which one was your favorite, because I would love to know. So thank you so much for watching, and until next time, bye.